Previously on The Other Chef. Hey everyone, day 3 of a Stockholm trip. Gotta catch a bus to Gala stand to see the changing of the guard. So we just finished seeing the changing of the guard. It's actually pretty cool. So what's planned for today? I might check out the Nobel Peace Prize Museum. Maybe do a little bit more touring around and then getting ready to eat at Flying Elk. So we just landed in Copenhagen to go to baggage claim, but this time I'm going to make sure that I can go to customs to hopefully get a stamp. Hey, what's going on everyone? So just got my key to my room and now I'm looking for my room. Here we are. So here's the room. Pretty straightforward. Obviously just not a second bunk. It's going to be just me. TV screen. Got plenty of plugs. Got coffee. That's good. That's a big plus. And then bed. Not as comfy, but I'll make it work. So apparently these rooms are meant to be small but fully functional. I'm actually kind of happy that Myrna, my travel agent and a good friend of mine, hooked this up for me so that I can get my own place while I'm in Copenhagen. The last 2 places I stayed at, the one in Iceland was a hostel, but it was a good hostel. I like them. Only really good thing about this place currently right now is that it's very close to the airport, which is good. So one last thing, we're gonna check out the restroom. Really small, has a shower built in, so I'm assuming this is the curtain. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's not bad. Sink, toilet, so not that bad. Very small, functional. I mean, hell, I can deal with this. But don't know what's going on with the electricity. Why is it not working? Anyway, just want to show you guys the home for the next 4 days. Probably gonna relax a little bit, check out what I want to do because it's like 3:30 here. So I don't know what I want to do yet. I didn't really get anything to seriously eat. The only thing I really ate was had some coffee. That's about it. So I might actually have a big dinner tonight. Anyway, see you guys later. So I just found out how the lights work. So my card, we have to insert it in a certain area in the apartment. And I think it's more for energy proficiency. So the light just went out. So I'm going to turn it back on so you guys can see. So we put it right here, and then you can see the lights are now on, right? And then here's the light to the restroom. Now I know how that works. Hey everyone, so I went to this local coffee shop. So their iced coffee is about 37 krona, which is about $6. I'm starting to notice a trend. It's going to be expensive being here, so I'm going to be really tight on the budget. Hey guys, just took a very well-deserved nap. There was a restaurant that I saw on Ugly Delicious that featured tacos. In Copenhagen, there's this place that has these authentic Mexican-style tacos. The cook used to work for Rene Redzepi at Noma. They did a whole piece on her when Noma did a pop-up in Mexico. I'm actually very intrigued, so I'm gonna go check it out. I have to catch the metro to get into town, so I think that's one of the drawbacks of being here. But apparently the metro is very accessible. Should be pretty interesting. Y'all should enjoy this sunset. Look at it. I'm gonna start heading out to the actual central part of Copenhagen Central Station, and it's literally a 600-meter hike to the restaurant. There's also gonna be other things too. kind of hungry because really didn't eat anything today. So this will probably be my one big meal. I did get the breakfast here, even though there is a lot of great options during lunch. Since I did this breakfast, I will probably eat a later lunch or a very light lunch. Probably like an open sandwich, which is something that I actually been very interested in trying out. I did try some open sandwiches like in Sweden, and then Iceland has their version. Other than that, you guys stay tuned while I catch this metro because it's about to be live in about 15 minutes.
Til dig, som rejser på rejsekort. Hvis du skal videre med bus eller tog, så tjek ind igen. Hvis din rejse slutter, så tjek ud. Høres der?
Hey, what's going on, everyone? So, just got off the station and just walking around, heading to the taco place, Hija De Sanchez. And a couple of things I noticed. This is a very bike-friendly area. It's crazy. The roads are very bumpy. You know, there's actually certain parts of the metro that are considered quiet areas. It's actually very zen-like and soothing. So it's very interesting. Aside from that, it's just so different here. I mean, everything is so different here. You know, I really wish sometimes America would just wake the fuck up sometimes, because some of the stuff that you guys do in America just cracks me up. Like, you guys have absolutely no respect, and sometimes it's just very disappointing. But we're almost here, so I think I see it actually. Yeah, we're almost here, and then we will check out some of the food. So I did kind of snooped out about what the prices are for the tacos in the menu here. So if you get 3 tacos, which is, I think is a combo, and a beer, it's about 130 krona, which is about just over $21. But not really worried about that. I think I just want the experience. So there's some beautiful cherry blossoms that I'm definitely going to take a picture of. So you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, so I actually just got my tacos, and they're actually really nice. And I have 2 good friends from Poland that I'm sharing with. Hi. So here's the bounty right there. Some carnitas, some El Pastor, which is the pulled pork with the pineapple, and then this is their zucchini one with queso fresco, and of course a beer. So this is La Chula, Mexican lager. So I'm gonna dig in, and this is very, very great. So very happy I'm here. So I just left Hija De Sanchez. Bro, those are some legit tacos, and you know what, man, it's really good. I mean, the 3 tacos that they had were the El Pastor, very good. The second one was pulled pork, which is also very good. But the one I actually really liked, and it's kind of crazy, and it's a vegetarian style type of taco, was the razor thin zucchini with queso fresco. Forget about it, man. And you know what? You know, with a beer and everything, it was like 145, because I actually ordered a larger size beer instead of 30 centiliters, which is about a good 8 ounces. I actually ordered 50 centiliters, so it cost me about 145 krona. Very well worth it. Like, it was so good, like $23. Yeah, I'm definitely going back tomorrow. So they tell me that they rotate their menu every day. So hopefully I'll get some of their other tacos that I actually really like. But man, I really like that razor thin zucchini one. That actually gives me the inspiration of doing something like that when I go back to the States. So anyway, I'm gonna go check out the area for a little bit, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. So one last thing that I wanted to include about eating at Hija De Sanchez, they're actually one of the few places that only accept cash. So apparently their credit card machine isn't working, and they're planning probably not to do credit card. So luckily I had some Danish kroner that helped out a lot. So just want to let you guys know that. Until then, see you guys.